what is Mummiyo and why is it a key ingredient in your formula?
So, many years ago, I was training jiu-jitsu. I was in guard, and I went to do a maneuver, and I felt something pop. My rib cartilage tore, and out of all my injuries, this was the worst one I ever had. So later that day, this beautiful Russian woman, older woman, who has a lot more experience in life than I did at the time, gave me these little black pellets. And she said, take this every day. It's called Mummiyo. So Mummiyo is, at the time, I knew nothing what that was. And I was like, all right, it's natural, I'll do it. Anything natural, I'll try. So I took it, and not only did it help my rib cartilage heal faster, I was better, faster than I would ever even imagine. Within 3 weeks, I was back to training. I was back to doing everything I did. I only had to take 1 day off my chiropractic practice. So it was amazing. But I've used it for years with really all of my patients because I love it. So now I know what it is. So Mummiyo is this paste that comes from the mountains of the Himalayan mountains, and it comes out of the cave rocks, and it has all these vitamins and minerals and something called fulvic acid, which really supports the strength of the tendons and the ligaments, and it makes the joints much, much healthier, and it reduces inflammation and promotes healing. So when I was coming out with my joint formula, of course I have turmeric extract, which is the #1 potent anti-inflammatory in there, and I have some other amazing nutrients in there, but I wasn't making anything that didn't have Mummiyo.
I love it.
Yeah.